Hey there, it's Eric Evenstad with BootstrapBizGrowth.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a video to your YouTube channel. And not only am I going to show you the how-to, so the step-by-step process, but I'm going to show you how to do it the right way so that YouTube starts to find your videos and you start to rank for search results. Because as you may or may not know, YouTube is actually the second largest search engine on the internet, right after Google. So you want to start getting your videos found in there since it is a search engine. You want to take these necessary steps to make sure that people can easily find your video and watch it. So I'm going to run you through my step-by-step process for uploading videos to YouTube. Follow along and you'll be up and running with your own YouTube channel and your own set of videos in no time. So I'm going to share my screen right now and walk you through the process. Here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to YouTube. And then right here, there's a little button and it looks like a video camera, and you're going to click that. It says create a video or a post. You're going to do upload a video. And now you're going to drag and drop a video file from your computer, or you can click here to browse for it on your computer. So I'll just browse for one here. Let's do this video. We'll upload this one. And so the first thing that I missed here, but the first thing that I do is when I download a video or I have a video on my computer, I want to go in and I want to change the file name. So I want the file name to be the title that I'm going to use of the video before I upload it. So the first thing I do is I go in onto my computer, rename the file to whatever the title is going to be of that YouTube video. Then when I upload it, it automatically pulls in that file name as the title, and that's going to help with search rankings, just to have that file name consistent with the title. So as you can see, it's automatically uploading the video to YouTube here. And I can start to take a couple of steps down here to start the process, or to continue the process. The first thing that I like to do is add a custom thumbnail. The reason I add a custom thumbnail is because it makes it a little bit more enticing for people to click on that video and actually watch it. And if people watch your videos, it's going to go up in the search results. So we want this thumbnail to be very enticing, probably with the title of the video on there. And the way I create those thumbnails is through canva.com. It makes it really simple. It's a drag and drop graphic design tool that's completely free. And I actually have a video where I walk you through that entire process of creating those YouTube thumbnails. I'll link to that video in the description down below. So make sure you watch that first and you'll learn how to create those custom YouTube thumbnails. Then the next thing that I do is I come in here to the description. I like to kind of maximize it, give myself some room here. And the description is going to tell YouTube what your video is all about. So you don't want to write out your entire transcript of the video necessarily in here, but you want to give a very good overview of what is in the video. And you also want to add links. If there's any necessary links or links that you talk about in the video, you want to add those right up here to the top. So what I do is I do a little thing that says links mentioned in this video, and then I'll add those links right here, and then I'll skip down. So we'll just do okay, so those are the links. Then I would skip down and I would start doing my description of what the video is all about. And I want to throw in some keywords. So here I'm talking about virtual assistants and outsourcing. So I'd make sure to use those words or those keywords a few times throughout my description as I describe what's in the video. And again, I don't want to give away all my information in the description, or else people won't have any reason to actually watch the video. And we want people watching the videos because, again, that's going to help them rank higher in YouTube. So I'd write out my description here. I believe it can be 5,000 characters long, or up to 5,000 characters long. And again, put those links up near the top so that people can see them, because there's only 2 to 3 lines up top and then a read more button when somebody views your video on YouTube. So you want to make sure that most important content is up front at the very beginning of your description. Now, the next thing that I do when I'm uploading a video is I come down here and I fill out tags. So these again tell YouTube what's in your video, what is your video about. So you want to describe in a way your video topic. So this one, 5 must-have tools for working with a virtual assistant. My tags might be virtual assistant, and then you do a comma, and then maybe it's outsourcing. Maybe I want to say VA because that's what virtual assistants are oftentimes referred to or referred as. Maybe hiring tools. Maybe I talk about tools that I use to hire VA. And then maybe I talk about the specific tools that are mentioned in the video. So that would be Asana, that would be Google Chat, that would be LastPass, and I would just continue on like this, mentioning different keywords that I talk about and that are related to the video that I'm describing. So I also talk about how outsourcing and virtual assistants are so great for entrepreneurs and solopreneurs. Okay, so I would continue about that. And another thing that I'll sometimes do is I'll go into YouTube and I'll search for a similar video that has a ton of views. So I'll just do a quick search for tools, virtual assistant. All right, so this one has 4,000 views. That's pretty good. 3 tools. This is a very similar video, so that's what I'm looking for, something very similar. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause the video, and I'm going to come right to the left side of the video, right-click, and I'm going to do View Page Source. Okay, and so this is going to bring up the code on that page, and I'm going to do Control F. So I'm going to open up a find box that you see right here. I'm going to search for keywords. And you see it highlighted right here. Now I can actually go in and see what keywords this person used on their video, which was very similar, and was able to get them 4,000 different views. So they have 3 tools for managing your virtual team. That's a single keyword that they're using, so it's a long tail keyword. Tools for virtual teams, best tools for project management. So these are really great, and I can just kind of come in here, copy those, come back into my thing, paste them, and now I can click on each of these and kind of tweak them to make more sense for my video. I don't want to straight up copy them, but they give really good ideas. So maybe I change this. Obviously, I'll change this to 5 tools for managing your virtual assistant, I would say. And you continue doing that for all of these different ones that are relevant to your video. So, you know, maybe this one isn't, or maybe this one isn't, that one's not, but the rest look good. I go in and edit these, and then I have all of those different tags, and I'm pretty much good to go here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit publish. And now I have this link right here. So I'm going to copy that. And now what I do is I go and I share this link across all my social media pages, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram. I throw it on my website. I upload the video or embed this video into my website's blog. So now I have a vlog going, and it's just another way for people to see this video, watch this video, and the more people see it and watch it, the more YouTube says, wow, this seems useful. I'm going to show this to more people. So that's the ultimate goal here. And as you can see, it really is a pretty simple process to upload the videos. It doesn't take a lot of time, and it really doesn't take a lot of extra time to do it right. But doing it right and filling out the description, those tags, and doing the thumbnail are going to make a big, big difference in terms of getting your video seen across YouTube. So I encourage you to go out and test this out for yourself. Give it a shot. Follow this step-by-step lesson, and I hope it does add a ton of value to you. I hope it makes it easier for you to start your YouTube channel, to upload more YouTube videos, and to build your brand. And if it does, do me a favor and scroll down Give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be pumping out a ton of new content, tons of videos coming your way about how to build your business on a budget, and we'd love to have you in our community and start watching our videos and learn from us and help you build your business. And then lastly, I want to just say thanks a lot for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you next time.